I want to tell you a story. It's beautiful and it's sad, and I really hope that it's going to end well. About a year ago, a couple came to the hospital that treats our animals. It was a very poor couple. They had 3 dogs, and they had been traveling for days to arrive to our hospital. One of the dogs, a German Shepherd called Laura, had cancer, and they didn't know whether to operate her or give her chemotherapy or not, or didn't know what to do. So apparently our vets told them that she needed to have surgery and chemotherapy, and but these people really didn't have any money, and for them it was a shock. So they left. And no one told me about this. Basically, I saw these guys once at the parking lot and then never saw them again. And then yesterday, I saw them again at the parking lot with the 3 dogs. And they say hello to me. They have seen me on YouTube and Facebook, and they say hello and how are you doing? And great. And what are you guys? I remember you from last year, right? And so they tell me the story, and they say, look, our dog is really ill, and we just don't know what to do. We can't afford anything. We can't afford treatment for her. So we've just come and I was so sad. Oh God. Because these people really love their animals. You just have to see them. I mean, it was such a great connection with them. And so the dog was already inside the hospital. They were checking her out, and the tumor that apparently last year was like a golf ball now is the size of a football. Really huge, really big. So I say, look, it's your dog, but you're responsible for this. But damn it, come on, I'll pay for it. The thing is that about me is that I'm really weak, and when I have somebody in front of me crying, I tend to cry as well. And if I can fix the problem, I'll fix it. And if it's a question of money to save a life, I tend to say, okay, that's no problem, we'll do it. So as a result of this, actually, many people contact me directly or through phone. I mean, there is here in Spain, it's like my phone number is hot property. Everyone wants to reach me because they know if they reach me, I'm gonna say yes. So anyway, we operated Laura, and the surgery was quite something because, well, I just wanted to say this.
Always on my mind and way out of my league. You were born to be on display, and I'm hard to read. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me. And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples. Somehow you noticed me. I don't believe it's all about the things that we share. Marry me when the lights go out. You know I'll be there. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me. And now
Estás aquí, ¿vale? Vale, la grabadora. Ahora sí.
Es que además es un animal que tiene un corazón y tiene un... Es que se lleva bien con todas las personas, con todos los... Da igual la raza, se tumba al lado de los gatos callejeros.
Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I'm sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot undo it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting, but can't we just hold up? Maybe stay up, try to make things right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see that we'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything.
So Laura recovered nice from the surgery. She woke up, and she's now staying at the hospital in one of the consultation rooms with her family, and I really feel bad for them. I really feel bad for them. They have nothing. They have nothing. But these 3 dogs, they really are well cared for. And you can see when someone has a bond with his animal, and the animals, they connect. It's beautiful. So that's the story. We operated Laura. It's a really bad kind of tumor, and chances are that we're buying her time. This is not it's not gonna heal her, but it's gonna improve her quality of life, and maybe we'll give her 7 months, 1 year. Yeah. So I don't know. I just wanted to tell you this story because this is happening right now, and it's not a case that we have fundraised for. It's not something that you will see more in this channel. It's just one story of the many stories that we go through every single day. So guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Please, if you can, join us on Patreon. There's a Patreon page here. This page is and the money that we raise through YouTube and through direct donations on PayPal is what is helping us do all of this. Without your help, we really can't do anything. So please, if you can, join us on Patreon. Select the level of support that you can give us monthly. Doesn't have to be much, and join us, because thanks to you, we're able to do great things. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye. Join us on Patreon. Thank you.